tuning in. I'm so excited about today's recipe for a multitude of reasons. Number one, I asked Instagram what they wanted to see on this channel, and you very kindly said, ta-da, spaghetti bolognese. Great shout, blooming love spaghetti bolognese. Secondly, this particular recipe, I cannot take credit for. This is Mr. Jamie Oliver's, because this is the recipe that I learnt to cook spaghetti bolognese. And to be honest, why drift from an absolute guaranteed winner? Third exciting thing, some YouTubers get sent GHDs and track racing days and spa vouchers. I got sent a compact food processor from the lovely people at Lakeland. Lakeland, thank you very much. I blooming love it. I thought I'd bring it with me today to crack on and help me with this recipe to make things in the classic Katie.Pix fashion even blooming quicker. Not sponsored, by the way, gifted. Do you have to hashtag that? Don't know. Should we get started? Okay, we're gonna go for 1 onion. I've gone red because I prefer red. Oh, that's awesome. Fantastic little contraption there. Right, 3 cloves of garlic, or 2. I've just got like 1 really big one and 2 little ones. And then that is going to go into a pan on a medium heat. And we've also got here 6 rashers of smoked streaky bacon that I'm just gonna slice through and chuck that in there as well. And then we've got 2 sprigs of rosemary here as well that I'm just going to shred. I could be in the middle of Italy with that. That is stunning. And we're just going to rattle through. Now, this is going to soften through for about 5 minutes. You want to cook your bacon. You want to start getting a little bit of translucency on those onions. And you want that lovely aroma of garlic and rosemary to punch through the sky. Do you ever know that you're my hero? That has been about 5 minutes, and we've got a lovely softened onion, and also the bacon has got a beautiful bit of colour to it as well. To the pan, we're now going to add in 500 grams of high welfare, high quality, high fat mix. I mean, you can go lean if you want to, but those fats mean flavour. Now, I personally don't like to move it around too much because I like to get that nice bit of colour, and I like it to keep a little bit of crunchiness to it. Not crunchiness, a little bit of chunkiness to it. Can you smell that? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. But I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I forget everything. One more look and I can put. Whoa, whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. Now it is time to add in one of my favourite cooking ingredients, and that is a little glass of the finest red. Except not the finest red, because that's a real waste in cooking, because you're about to burn off all the alcohol anyway. That's nice though, a bit of a Shiraz. My camping stove is not giving me the heat that I want, so I'm actually going to transfer this to a proper hob. So in a lot of tomato-based sauces, we default to using tomato puree quite a lot. However, the genius has suggested that we use sun-dried tomatoes. Now, obviously, these are so rich and powerful in flavour. Am I going to put them through this? If you do have a food blitzer, use that. So we're actually going to put in a whole jar. It's not worked, Ben. Do you know what? That was my bad, because it's not a food blender, it's a processor, it's a grater, it's a slicer, dicer extraordinaire, and I've just used it so much this week that I thought maybe it would work, but it doesn't. So let's just go to the blender. Right, we're going to add in 2 tins of plum tomatoes. Now we're going plum tomatoes because they have a hell of a lot more flavour. And I'm just going to blitz this into a passata-like paste. Now this is going to go into our pan as well. And then our delicious pan full of wonderful ingredients is going to get seasoned up and go into a hot oven at 180 degrees for about an hour. or basically until the sauce is fully reduced. Now, I'm about to do something which Ben finds intensely controversial, but I'll have you know that no Italian that I've met would ever serve their pasta with the sauce dolloped on top. I know, that's how we do it, but it's not the way it should be done. So we're gonna tip in our perfectly al dente pasta, and we're gonna get stirring. Spaghetti Bolognese deserves a little shredding of gorgeous Parmesan cheese. If that isn't heaven, I don't know what is. Eating time. I wish I knew words in Italian, because I feel like that's the only way I could describe how flipping beautiful this is. Undoubtedly, Jamie Oliver's Bolognese was the best I'd ever first tried, first learned, first cooked myself, and will forever enjoy. Jamie, you've absolutely smashed it with this one. If you have any more recipe suggestions, guys, please get them in that comments box below. Make sure you subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday. And if you want to see more from me, why not check out Katie.Pix.com or any of my social handles as well. Until next time, guys, ciao!